Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can install Jupyter Notebook on VS Code. As you already know that Jupyter Notebook can also be installed on Anaconda, but if you have any problem on installing on any other source, you can install on VS Code. This is very simple method. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So before installing this, make sure you are connected with an internet connection, and after this you have to also install VS Code. You can install this from Microsoft Store or you can install it from any browser, right? So after installing these two things, just open your VS Code. So after opening your VS Code, go to extensions section and coming here, enter Python. Because before installing Jupyter Notebook, you have to install Python. So on the top option, you can see there is Python from Microsoft. I have already installed it. That's why it is written uninstall. So you haven't installed it. You will have to install it. It will take less than 1 minute. So after installing it, again in this search bar, enter Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. On the top option, you can see from Microsoft, there is Jupyter Notebook option. In the same way, you have to install it. And after installing these two things, cut down this open window. So now after doing these things, you have to open the VS Code again. Now here to open Jupyter Notebook, there is a simple key that is Ctrl Shift plus P. Now on the top option, there is a new Jupyter Notebook option. Simply double tap here. Now your Jupyter Notebook will be installed. Now there is two options showing. Cut down the second option. Now you can see this interface is the same interface of Jupyter Notebook. So to print anything, you have to simply press print. Press Shift plus Enter. So it is not responding because I haven't selected the kernel. To select this, you have to choose this option Python 3.1.2. If you are not showing this option directly, there will be two options showing here, right? So simply click the first option and your kernel will be selected. Now you can see it has been showing the output that is hello world. So by following the same steps, you can also launch Jupyter Notebook on VS Code. So if you are facing any error while launching, so you can comment me below. I will try my best to solve it. So thank you for watching the video.